Hi, good day. My name is Jopet, and this is the Bluetooth module. So as the name implies, this module gets its command via Bluetooth. Over here you have input port for power, and you have 3 output ports. If you're wondering why there's 3, stay tuned to find out why later. Over here we have a switch, rotary switch, which has 4 modes: 0, 1, 2, and 3. So mode 0 is for using a normal app, so we send our commands manually, and I'll discuss later 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's try it out. Over here I have a phone, and the Bluetooth module is turned on, and the first output is connected to an LED, the second is to a number bit, and the third is on a servo bit. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is turn on our Bluetooth over here on the phone, Android phone, and search for the device. So searching, and you'll find there HC05. So press on to pair, and it will ask you what the number is, the pairing pin, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4 by default. Okay, and once you have it paired, you can now start your app. Now I have a very simple Android application over here. So you connect, and then once you connect, it has all the 3 outputs. You get the first line, second line, and third line. So over here you can adjust, so you can see the LED intensity going higher, and there's also a button for on and off, so just full off or full on, off, right? Likewise the second line, so see the numbers bit, you can change value along with the slider. The same, you can fully turn it off or turn it on. Likewise with the last one, on, off. Alright, so that's the first mode wherein you manually enter your commands. You can make your own app as long as you know the commands. Okay, let's go to the second mode. Okay, so now we're going to showcase what modes 1, 2, and 3 are able to do. Now mode 0 a while ago is used for sending commands manually to our Bluetooth module. So as long as you know the commands, you can make your own app just like what we did a while ago and control the module that way. Now module 1, 2, and 3 are controlled using the Amarino app. So the Amarino app, the icon is here in the IC form, is sending commands to the Bluetooth module using your phone's sensors. So it's using your phone sensor to control your module. So let's try it out. So the first mode, mode number 1, is using the accelerometer sensor. So let's open Amarino app, and then over here you have to add your Bluetooth device. So let's add HC05. Now after adding, you have to add your event, which is your sensor. So we add the accelerometer sensor, right? So the reason why we have 3 outputs is the sensor, some sensors, the accelerometer, the orientation sensors have X, Y, and Z outputs. So that's why we have 3 outputs. We save, and then we connect. Now when you connect, it will automatically send commands to your phone. That's why you have output. So let's try it out. So when the phone is here, right? So the output is corresponding to how your phone accelerates on the X, Y, and Z axis. So let's try it out. So if we accelerate here, over here, the top LED is the one that's affected. Along this angle is the numbers. Along this Z, it's the bottom one. And that's how you make use of your phone sensor to control your outputs. So this is the accelerometer. Let's try the other modes. Okay, now we're going to make use of mode number 2. Now mode number 2 again uses the Amarino app, and this time is the orientation sensor. So the first value on top corresponds to the azimuth of your phone. So if you notice, if I rotate the phone along this axis, your first LED will begin to light. So it's controlled by this one. And the second is LED is controlled by the pitch. So and then the numbers is controlled by the roll. So you notice the numbers changing along this axis. So you can now use your phone to control your module. So if this is a robotic platform, you can use your phone to control your robots. Okay, so let's go to mode number 3. So this is the third mode and the last mode. So this again corresponds to a Merino app, and it's using the light sensor. So as you can see, we only have one output, which is the numbers bit. The other two don't have any output, so those are 0 because we only have one output from the light sensor. So let's try it out. So as you can see, the numbers value changes once I put less light onto the light sensor of your phone. So with this Bluetooth module, you're able to first of all control the module via your phone using your own app or a simple app that I made, or you can use the Amarino app and control the output of the module using your sensors, the phone sensors. Isn't that awesome? Thank you, and I hope you fall for my module. Good day.